Hey everybody, Paul Alessi here with LISPN, and I am finally ready to announce something that Shane and I have been working on for almost 2 years, and that's going to be our very first live in-person workshop right here on Long Island from June 29th to July 1st. This workshop, called the Ground Up Lighting and Compositing Workshop, will finally pull back the curtain to show you exactly what Shane and I do for our volume shoots. We're going to show you everything: how we photograph athletes at scale, how we move through multiple lighting setups, and how we consistently create our full-length natural field composites. That includes a deep dive into Shane's groundbreaking ground-level camera rig and monitor system, which has completely changed how we shoot volume. Okay, so let's talk about our location and our hosting facility. We've secured a group rate hotel at the Home 2 Suites on Long Island, and here's what makes this location ideal. It's all in one centralized complex. The hotel, the restaurants, indoor sports facility, and outdoor fields are right there, located on site. To take advantage of this special group rate, hit the link down below and be sure to book early. We'll be doing presentations at the hotel throughout the course of the 2-day workshop. Okay, so let's talk about what we'll be covering over this intensive 2-day workshop. Day 1 is going to be all about compositing and lighting using Shane's ground level camera system that you've seen on the forums. We're going to cover how to master green screen and gray screen setup. Complete gear lists will be made available and the rationale of why we use it. We'll talk about proper setup and breakdown of the equipment. We'll go through posing progressions and how we light an athlete for multiple looks using different configurations. Then, and this is key, you'll get some hands-on time getting a chance to actually sit in the cockpit using Shane's system. We'll have some live action models coming out throughout the course of the morning where you'll get a chance to practice everything that Shane talks about. After lunch, we're going to head outside, and I'm going to show you exactly how I capture the master frame to be used in the full-length natural environmental composite. Then later that afternoon, we will have a small group breakout session. This is where attendees get a chance to sit down with Shane and break down everything that he talked about in the morning session. All the gear you need for your specific camera system will be explained, everything will be broken down in detail, and you'll get an idea of exactly what you would need to complete this ground level rig. At the breakout session, you're encouraged to bring your own camera so we can review settings, cables, shortcuts, and how everything ties together into a fast, repeatable system. This breakout session is completely interactive. Every question gets answered. To wrap up day 1, we'll be doing a group social at a nearby Long Island brewery. Let's talk about day 2 of our workshop. Day 2 is about creating and mastering the full-length environmental composite, something that you guys have been asking about for about 2 years. This is a full classroom experience where I'm going to break everything down step by step. In the session, you'll learn about creating the master frame from day 1, using AI tools to assist the background creation, inserting and scaling your PNGs correctly, grounding the athletes so they belong on the field, what I call the secret sauce, accounting for different athlete sizes and ages, and then finally automating the entire process through PixNub sports photo automation. We'll show you how we generate both the natural field look and creative smoke and gel composites, all from the same athlete stand-in. Both days of our workshop will be recorded, with day 2 being screen recorded, so you can go back on your own time and look at all the things I talked about in creating your full-length composite. Let's talk about costs and enrollment. The 2-day complete workshop in person will be $12.95 per person. Unfortunately, right now, I cannot open this up to additional members of your studio, so that $12.95 will cover just yourself, but it includes all of the materials that we give out during the 2-day workshop. It will cover all of the screen recordings that we do on day 2, and it'll also cover any videos that we do throughout the course of day 1. Also, it will give you membership into our Facebook group called The Ground Up Experience. We'll send you out a link for that, and in that group you can post any questions that you have after the workshop, and Shane and myself will be able to answer those questions as they come up. Enrollment to this 2-day workshop is limited, so if this is the workshop that you've been waiting for and the dates work well with you, don't wait. Grab your spot, book your hotel, and we hope to see you all on June 29th here on Long Island. We can't wait to work with all of you.